will do the
Sabi.
always make sure na ang imong blade is clean din ha. Then, ayaw pag-ana pag-dip kasi pag-ana, mapanong ka ng tip lang. Tip and then clean. Okay. From here, bottom line, you trace that one. Sama lang lahat. Okay. From here, do not connect. Parallel line, a little bit above. Then, okay. Okay, I'll do another one. Okay, I'll do the inverted line. Okay. Tanawa ko na kung connection. Wala gid na i-set ana akong dyan. Okay, as I approach, mubo na po dyan ang akong first na line. And then, kabantay ka, paana gamay, dili paana. And that one is basic. This one is advanced. Okay, nasubahan na akong piga, sorry. Okay. Pagabot din na i-connect na din ako na siya sa when I do the bridge, parallel line, connect to the spine. Okay. Then the last of the spine. That's it. Now I'll do this. I'll do the second. Dapat dili layo kay nga dili bikang pero a little bit above.
Ang Y.
Oo. Kabantay ka ako nag-start dara. Dili ko nag-start sa ibabaw. I hit the tip and then I extend and twist. Hit the tip. Twist. Hit the tip. Twist. Pag-abot ka kabantay ka?
Third na.
Oh, I join the ano. Wala ko nitugsok. Okay. Bantay ko siya ha. As I hit the tip, layo pa lang ko.
Third na.
Ni-twist na ko. Ang akong target is the forward. Yung unahan na. Dili ang akong tungod nga kuan spine. Ang unahan ay waist. And then move your pag abot the rebate lang naman kay ni, I can make another one here. Yun mo na lang ginasang hindi dito nag-duwa. Ba't ko I'll do like this. Kabantay ka, wala din siya nag-connect ang akong mga line. And then one ko forward ko. Ayaw di siya nga pag anak nimo pag stroke di anak nimo. Kaya tendency mura og kana ganing slice bread. So i-soft siya, follow the line a little, then get inside, extend towards the tail. Okay, follow the line a little, get inside, extend towards the tail. Follow the line, extend. Okay. Then we will do the mother feather. The mother feather should not start here. Forward, go down. Hit the tip, extend.
Dapat sa wire.
Oh, why? Actually, mura siya why. Then, forward. Wala ako nagtupong ha, kung di na pangit. So, forward, go down. Do that. Narami ni siyang mother feather. Forward ko, go down. Choke. Okay, naraman na siya ang baby feather. Forward ko, go down. Stroke. Okay. Ipingani na gani ang agi sa imong blade, meaning gasgas na na siya. Other side na po imong gamiton. Pag abot dari, pwede na ka maghimog one line lang and then connect dito sa outer nga border. Ang purpose ana para pag kahit kini magud siya, kung dili magud moabot ang last stroke mo sa border line or kung mulapas magaling siya magsigsag na siya pag magpanas na to iyang outline bitaw. Okay. So, here go like that and then you always end sa border. Okay. And then do the connecting line. Sample. Makita man mo. Kabantay ka daghang spaces. Kani. So what you can do is do the connecting line. Connect to the spine. Ang importante is ma-define ang imong spine. Ma-define galing imong spine kada ni siya tan-aw. Dapat connected siya tanan. Start. Okay, so this is the bottom line, right? Yana? Okay. The first stroke should touch the bottom line and should outline this one. But not all throughout. Okay. Second stroke is after and then baba gamay and should outline this part here. Okay, that one. Third stroke is a little bit up. I should outline this part. Then I can do the fourth if I want to. Like that. Okay. Now we will do the inverted Y. First inverted Y. If it's like that, that's not my blade. Then two. Maintain the distance here, and this one fans out. This one follows the flow of the spine. Paano na din ko. Kaya doon naman ako sa spine. Then I twist my pad a little. It's, when you do this on the tao, ikaw ang mag-move.
Siyang tao.
Oo, hindi pwede nga. Bugat na ng bed. O, may ligid. And then I do the little S towards. Okay. I outline here, dili kay patubsok. outline ko gamay. Then, I'll do that. Para mas skip siya ka na. Oo, dili ko siya. Ayun, mo mga straight dito sa nga nga line. Then, pag abot diri, pwede na ko mag-duol na akong distance. Maghimo na dahil ko o bridge. Oh, so, parallel lines that connect each other at the spine. Then, outline. Okay, nothing here. Ang mag-form diri is ang mga baby feather na. Okay, then I'll do my second stroke. It should be before the line. I can do after the line, pwede. Pwede diri, pero pag taas na kay ko, I will only do after the line kanang higa na para mo saka. So this one, not touching the bottom line, but near. Dili pa ano. So, imagine, asa ka pa yung hit the tip and then extend. Learn how to twist. Okay. Then, twist kita ka. Nag-view kita na ako. Kahit pa kayo dito. Okay. Nga ba? Basta gas-gas na ganyan yung blade, pangit na siya gawas. The more na mas dikit siya sa original line, mas tsada. Kung tambok tayo mo, bigang kang pangit siya tanawon. Then, do the lot of twisting it. Like that. Pag hit na ako, ni-twist na ko. Sabay na ko sa, ni-follow na ko sa spine. Connect to the spine. Okay. Move your pad. Apiki na gani imong lihok, move your pad, twist your pad. And then I can do the third here. Pag di nakatsada imong line, pag-change na o ano. Okay, and then I do the mother feather. The mother feather is sideways na dahil. Ang tail pointing up yun na, almost. Oo. So this one here, ayaw siya ituksok na. A little bit follow, then curve, fly towards the tail. Dili fly towards the baba.
Okay.
Para dili siya matusok. Oo. Follow the outline, fly towards the tail. Wala na ko sa gana, ha? Okay. And then as it goes near the arch, longer strokes towards the tail, do not patusok. Outline the arch, then go down. Not outline the arch pa yung diha. So, outline mo arch, go down na ka. So here, leave some space para di siya mo-connect ang line once ma-remove ang outline. Okay. Like that. Now, do the baby feather. Din ha, hindi ko maghimo kasi ang connecting lines naman mag-baby feather sa akong first na mother. So, diri, I do not start at this line. I go down, dikit ko sa next na ko nga line, connect, extend, and then this one, you try to connect and extend.
Nice.
Oo. This one, same yapon. I work on the space in between. I connect to the line and extend. Space, connect to the line, extend, space, connect to the line, extend, and then this one, extend. So here, space, connect to the line, extend, space, connect to the line, extend. Ay, hindi pa nakita kong blade eh. So, do not start with sa upper line, ha? Only the mother feather touches this area. Connect, extend, space, connect, extend. Then this one can outline na dayon. Okay. Extend, outline. Mo-end gid siya tanan, ayaw ipasobra. End gid siya tanan sa outline. Connecting lines. Then I join the first mother feather, space, join the mother feather and the spine.